Ahoy me mateys! What a way to spend what is currently a Friday afternoon. As we admire cup holders. Yes, that's full of water by the way. A fellow seafaring vessel. Captain David. Arr, Captain David. Historic vessels, that be the island. And here we are travelling by our beautiful bridge. And if you've ever wondered what it's like to travel under the bridge, let's get that experience. I'll give you the under the bridge, completely unabridged. Let's get a captain's eye view of things. That's the kind of technology we're dealing with here. As you notice, safety first, no hands on the wheel, because we're throttling. By the way, those seagulls are tough birds. Here we go. Wow. We find ourselves now in open waters. Our only ally, adventure. And if you do see a fin in the water, for sure it's a dolphin. Captain David, what be the name of this fine vessel?
This here will be Karen Sue.
Karen Sue.
From 1952.
The Karen Sue from 52, a poetic name at a poetic time. And what kind of condition is our vessel in, and what are your hopes for the near future?
Well, I would say fairly original, though she was upspec'd a little bit to become a floating bar restaurant for a while. And then also a wedding boat up on the Swan Valley. So many choices on a future destiny, but certainly involving some good fun, good times.
I can see a lot of beautiful wood. We're in the midst of a rejuvenation for this fine vessel, and now it's time to relax. Thank you, Captain David.
You should have a look upstairs as well.
There's one upstairs. It just keeps on going, folks. Safety first, always a lifery.